Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix cannot switch user in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type lusrmgr.msc. So open it. Now after that select the user, open it and uncheck the account is disabled. So click on apply and OK button and close it. After that, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this start your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type our registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all select the HKey local machine and expand it. After that, select the software and expand it. After that, select the Microsoft and expand it. And after that, find out a Windows. Here is a Windows and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it. Find out a policies. Now here is the policies and expand it. Now after that, now here is a policy. Select a system, right click new 32-bit value and set a name is hide fast user switching. Open it and set a value that is 0 and OK. Close the registry editor. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.